Hello everyone, welcome to Glowing Stars Bharat. Dear students, I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. Those who are new to this platform, let me introduce myself. My name is Abhishek. Dear student, today we are going to talk about some basic concept of chemistry. So let's begin the chapter. Dear student, are you one of those who loves chemistry? That's great. But even if you are not, you must know some basic concept of chemistry. I'm sure after learning these, you might become a fan of chemistry. Let's learn about what is chemistry. Actually, is in its basic concept that will help you understand chemistry a lot better. So, dear 11th class, man has always been curious about the changes taking place in the surrounding, and this crucially led him to study, observe and experiment with the changes taking place. When these observations are systematically arranged, it is called science. However, it's quite difficult to wrap up the definition of chemistry in just one line, but still it can be stated as chemistry is the study of composition, structure, properties and interaction of matter. Dear 11th class, chemistry had been very important role in our daily life. Whether it is chemical, computing or even economical activities. First use of chemistry. Computer chips is made of highly purified element silicon that is chemically modified at the microscopic level, both in chemical composition and in special organization. Different chemical composition of atmosphere make different weather at different places on the earth. For example, higher concentration of oxide of sulfur and nitrogen in atmosphere causes acid rain. Similarly, greenhouse gases lead to extreme weather events such as drought, flooding, high wind, and storm. Here, principles of geochemistry are involved. Next use is even in our brain, nitric oxide acts as a messenger compound in the transmission of brain waves, and in immune system it slows down the growth of tumor cells. Here process of biochemical process are important. The student contribution in economic development. Chemistry play an important role in the field of economic condition of the country by having its role in various industrial processes like manufacturing chemical fertilizers like urea, ammonium, sulfate, etc., which helps in better production of crops. The students, alkali, acid, salt, dyes are important in synthetic of various chemical compounds and products of chemical values. Chemical industries involved in production of drugs, soaps, detergent, metals, alloys and various organic and inorganic compounds have a very big role in the economic growth of a nation. So dear 11th class, a pencil, a pen, a table, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, the walls of our house, everything around is made up of matter. But what is matter? So dear students, anything that occupies, possesses mass and can be felt by one or more of our senses matter. Other way, matter is anything that occupies space, has mass and can be perceived but out sense is called matter. Classification and properties of matter. Dear students, based on physical property, matter had been divided into three types: solid, liquid, gas. And fourth state of matter, plasma, state is a fused ionic state of matter that present at a very high temperature like a core of sun and stars. And fifth states of matter is BEC, Bohr-Einstein condensate. The student, matter have been further divided on the basis of their chemical and physical properties. The student, based on chemical property, matter had been divided into two types. First, mixture, and second, pure substance. Again, pure substance divided into two types, elements and compound, and impure and mixture divided into two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Next, physical properties versus chemical properties. Dear 11th class, different kind of matter around us have several characteristics when which is used in combination adequately described a kind of matter. Therefore, chemists broadly divided the properties of matter in two kinds named physical and chemical properties. Physical properties are those properties which can be measured or observed without change the identity or the composition of the substance. Example, taste, color, melting point, boiling point, density are called physical property. And next, chemical properties are those which can be measured only by a chemical reaction. This cannot be observed just by touching or viewing the substance. It's called chemical properties. Example, acidity, basicity, combustibility, reactivity, etc. Next point important, the international systems of units. So dear students, 7 fundamental scientific quantities or base units. First, base या physical quantity is length. Symbol for quantity is small l. Name of SI unit meter and symbol for SI unit small m. Second base unit is mass. Symbol small m. SI unit kilogram. Third is time. SI unit second. 4 is electric current. Name of SI unit ampere. Thermodynamic temperature. Names of SI unit Kelvin. Amount of substance SI unit mole and luminous intensity SI unit candela. These are 7 fundamental scientific quantities. Next, scientific unit system. Dear student, 10 multiple minus 1 prefix deci, same to deci, deca, hecta, kilo, mega. Next, important in this chapter, laws and postulates. First law is law of conservation of masses. So dear students, law of conservation of mass states that matter can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Example, sulfur plus Fe add to gives FeS, means 32 gram sulfur plus 56 gram reaction of Fedum to gives 88 grams product. Next law of definite proportion. In given compound, always contain exactly the sum proportion of. And also see this figure, students, and understand law of definite proportion. Next law of multiple proportion. The students, it states that if two elements can combine to form more than one compound, the masses of one element that combine with a fixed mass of the other elements are in the sum. See the figure. And student, atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and oxygen is 8. The masses of N and masses of oxygen is ratio 14:60. And next, masses of nitrogen and masses of oxygen is always 40:32 ratio, nitrogen dioxide, NO 40:16 ratio. This is law of multiple proportion. Next is Gay-Lussac law of gaseous volume. The student, when gases combine or are produced in a chemical reaction, they do not They do so in a simple ratio by volume provided all gases are at a same temperature. It's called Gay-Lussac law of gaseous volume. Next, Avogadro's law. Equal volume of gases contain equal number of molecules at a standard temperature and pressure. It's called Avogadro law. Dalton's atomic theory. According to Dalton atomic theory, dear students, matter consists of individual atoms. All the atoms of a given element have identical properties, including identical mass. Atoms of different elements differ in mass. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in a fixed ratio. And last, chemical reaction involved regeneration of atoms. These are neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Student, next important topic, atomics and molecular masses. Dear student, one atomic mass unit is defined as a mass exactly equal to 1/12 of mass of 1 carbon, 12 carbon atom and 1 AMU equal to 1.66056 into 10 to power minus 24 gram. Today AMU has been replaced by U, which is, just for example, molar mass of oxygen is 15 point something gram per mole, molar mass of hydrogen 1.0, the molar mass of H2O means 18.0153 gram per mole. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of elements present in a molecule. It is combined by multiplying the atomic mass of each element by the number of its atoms and adding them together. Formula unit mass is the empirical formula. Calculating molecular weight of water, just hydrogen, number of molecules 2, oxygen 1, atomic weight, and therefore add the hydrogen's mass and oxygen mass, total 18. Therefore the molecule weight of water 18.0153 gram per mole. Next important topic, mole concept. Dear student, you know that 1 mole is the amount of a substance that consists as many particles or entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of the 12C isotopes. 1 mole of atom is equal to 6.022 into 10 to power 23, and the mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams is called its molar mass. Next important topic, limiting reagent. Dear students, when any reaction is carried out, if the reactants are not present in the amounts as required by a balanced chemical reaction, in such situation, one reactant is an excess over the either the reactant which is present in the larger amount gets consumed after sometimes, and after that no further reaction takes place, whatever be the amount of other reactant present. Hence the reactant which gets consumed limits the amount of product formed and is therefore. Next is concentration in solution. The concentration of a solution is expressed in 4 different ways. First is mass percent, second mole fraction, third is molarity, and 4 is molality. So you know that solute plus solvent reaction to give solution. Concentration equal to solute by solvent. First, mass percentage. Mass percentage of a compound is given by the formula percentage mass of element is equal to mass of element by total mass of compound into 100. Mass percentage is used by only binary solution. It is used for calculation is a very small quantity. Mole fraction. It's defined as the ratio of number of moles of a particular components to the total number of moles of the solution. If a substance are dissolved in substance B, their number of moles are Na and Nb respectively, then the moles fraction of A and B are given as a XA and XB. Dear students, mole fraction have no units. Next, molarity. It is the most widely used unit and it is denoted by capital M. It is defined as the number of moles of the solute in 1 liter of the solution. Therefore, molarity is equal to moles of solute bata volume of solution. Molarity of a solution depends upon temperature because volume of some point of a solution is temperature dependent. Molality. It is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. It is called molality. It is denoted by small m. Molality is equal to moles of solute bata mass of solvent. Mass of solvent unit kg. Molality of a solution does not change with temperature. Two main concentration of solution. First, molarity and molality. The molarity, it is the most widely used unit and is denoted by capital M. It is defined as the number of moles in solute upon volume of solution in liters. And molality, it is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. It is denoted by small m. Dear student, molarity is equal to number of moles in solute by volume of solution in liter, and molality is equal to number of moles in solute by mass of solvent in kg. Dear student, molarity is not preferred, molality is preferred. Next concept in molarity. In some cases, to find the mass of a certain compound, volume of a compound, mass of the second compound and volume of the second compound will be given. In that case is apply the formula M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. Another very important formula used in molarity, it's finding molarity using density. The formula is M is equal to percentage into density into 10 by mass. Just for example, commercially available sulfuric acid contain 93% by mass and has a density of 1.84 gram centimeter cube. Calculate the molarity of the solution and volume concentration acid required to prepare 2.5 ml of 0.50 m of H2SO4. Dear students, gives the solution in my comment section. Next question is, what is the molarity of solution containing 0.32 moles of NaCl in 3.4 liters? So see, the molarity is equal to 0.32 moles NaCl by 3.4 L and 0.094 m NaCl. Examples on molality. What is the molality of a solution consisting of 1.34 ml of carbon tetrachloride CCl4, density 1.59 gram per ml, in 65.0 ml of methylene chloride, density is equal to 1.33 gram per ml. See the solution. So dear students, some important notes in this chapter we discussed. First point is, to indicate very small numbers we use negative exponents. Second important notes, to indicate large number we use positive exponents. Scientific notation is the proper representation of a number in exponential form. Precision indicates how closely repeated measurement match each other. And 5 point, accuracy indicates how to closely measurement matches the correct or expected value. 6, a result is valid only if the both accurate and precise. Significant figures are meaningful digits which are known with certainty. First point is, significant figures are meaningful digits which are known with certainty. There are certain rules for determining the number of significant figures. All non-zero digits are significant. Zero preceding the first non-zero digit are not significant. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Zeros at the end or right the number are significant, provided they are on the right side of the decimal point, but if otherwise, the zero are not significant. During addition, subtraction, the result cannot have more digits to the right of the decimal point than either of the original number. 7 point in multiplication and division with the significant figures. The answer cannot have more significant figure than either of the original numbers. Important terms. 6.022 into 10 ka power 23 is called Avogadro constant or Avogadro number. A mole is a collection of 6.022 into 10 ka power 23 particles. 1 mole is the amount of a substance that contains as many particles or entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram. Isotopes of C32 isotope. The mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams is called in its molar mass. The molar mass in grams is numerically equal to the atom's molecular formula mass in U. U is the unified mass. Molarity is the number of moles of solute in per liters of solution. Units is moles per liter. Molality is the number of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. Atomic mass is equal to average relative mass of an atom of an element as compared with the mass of a carbon atom taken as 12 AMU. Atomic mass expressed in grams is called gram atomic mass. Molecular mass, sum of atomic mass of elements present in a molecule. Molecular mass expressed in grams is called gram molecular mass. Molecular mass, formula mass, sum of atomic masses of all atoms in formula units of the compound. In empirical formula, represented the simplest whole number ratio of various atoms present in a compound. The student, molecular formula shows the exact number of different types of atoms present in a molecule of a compound. If the mass percent of various elements present in a compound is known, its empirical formula can be determined where n is the simple number and may have value 1, 2, 3. Molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. The student, top formula in this chapter, we see the how to calculate the mass percent, mole fraction, molarity, moles of an elements. Also note down on your notes copy top formula. So dear students, I hope that you have understand today's lesson with easy. We have tried to explain the whole lesson to a short time. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.